put the windows down.
Roll your window down.
I really can't hear Return Herald. It's hard because of the music playing. But I don't know what the song is called, so. I hope it's not a horn too bad. Because I'm a football. Or I hear it. I don't think it's anything bad at all.
You want me to go further?
Because of a second train which might go. So I wonder what's leading. Because it's not a bad one now. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's bad. 9420. It sounds a lot like 9284. A sound that sounds like this. It might be 9421. 9286.
I don't see why not. Yeah, some just responsive.
I don't know. 9366 and 9367. I wonder what's leading on the reverse set. I wonder what's leading on the reverse set. Hopefully it's not the same. Hopefully it's not the same as that. Let's see if there will be any lights from that train. Check it will at some point. So I can just check my battery before it goes.